Where does the name for Llannefydd come from? So, today I'm in Llannefydd. It's a small village in the hills of Conwy County, towards the border with Denbighshire. The name's made of two parts: Llan, which means an area of land attached to a church, and Nefydd, which is the name of a saint, about which not very much is known, except for that he will have set up the church here in the 5th century, and that he was potentially one of the grandsons of Brychan Brycheiniog, who gave his name to Banau Brycheiniog, the Brecon Beacons. Now, this church here was supposedly founded by Saint Nefydd in the 5th century, but there's no documentary evidence of anything here before the 1290s. And also, to be honest, this building behind me is from the 1500s. But it does look a lot older than that, because in Wales we have a kind of church called a class church. It's where a church is built in the middle and it's one large building instead of having outbuildings, so the place where they cook, the place where the bishop or the monks or whoever's running the place lives, is all in one large building, and it's surrounded by a fortification. And you can usually tell them in Wales because they have a circular churchyard, and in Llannefydd the churchyard is circular. This kind of church is unique to Wales, but there's two others that are close by that are very similar. There's one which is St Michael's in Abergele, and there's another one in St Asaph. Anyway, diolch. Subscribe for more, like and share it with your friends. And if you want to support me in explaining every place name in Wales, consider supporting me on my Patreon. You can find the link in the bio. Have a good one.